Welcome to Chuck's Metal Models.
I have been looking around trying to find more pieces for my Meccano Erector set, and I found at one point that these creative metals, the pieces themselves are compatible. So I bought some of the sets with some of the larger amounts of pieces in. Some of them just have a lot of small pieces, but some of them have larger pieces. So let's see. Now, these screws here, they are not Meccano Erector compatible, but the other parts are. So what kind of pieces did I get with this set? Well, got a few plates. Got some of these nice large pieces here. Okay, some more plates. Some thin ones and some thicker pieces. Let's see, we still got even more. Oh wow, it's like, let's see here. Got a lot of these. Got some more curved pieces. Got a lot of these 4 long and 5 long pieces. So got a nice little collection of parts here. So since I bought this set, I'll build that set and I'll show you what I got out of it. But then, wow, look at this, even more pieces. Okay, it's all metal. Look at that. That's a lot of metal pieces to add to my collection, because they are Meccano Erector compatible and they are metal. Since Meccano went to plastic, I've been trying to find metal parts. I mentioned before that I saw Steelworks all metal, but the problem is Steelworks is not compatible with Meccano Erector, because Meccano Erector, these are 1/2-inch spacing right there, 1/2-inch spacing between the holes. And the Steelworks is 1 centimeter, so they're not compatible. So I'm going to build this. I will use my collection of metric M4 nuts and bolts to build it, but then I'll put them aside and I'll combine the metal parts with my Meccano Erectors so I can build other stuff with them. And I'll put the screws aside elsewhere. So let me build this and I'll be back in a second with it built. Well, there you saw me build one in the speed build. The next step is you build 2. Then you just attach them together. Well, actually, you didn't just see me build it in a speed build, because the speed build is going to be at the end. There, put it together. That is my bridge. Let's see. Let's take it off the camera tripod. Well, I gotta kind of step back. That way, well, let's get a box out of the way. That way you can see the whole bridge. That is my bridge. Let's move in here. It's a drawbridge, so the 2 sector partitions will rise. Let's pull the book in, because that is what it's supposed to be. I believe that's a Tower Bridge in London. So we can rise and lower those pieces. The one problem is this is a difficult build. It's a lot of small parts. You really got to get inside. One thing when I built it is I ended up putting these tops on last. That's the only way you could get inside to do the parts. I know that's not what they showed in the manual, but that's what I did. And another issue I ran into is on the painted pieces here, there just isn't the quality. So I ended up on a lot of the pieces, I had to take a file because you couldn't get the screws through. So I had to take a file and just kind of open up the holes a little better with the file. So I'm not going to give it a very great building experience. I mean, I bought it for the parts, so I'm going to have to remember to file out all the painted parts before I use them for other builds, but it looks decent from a distance. I'm going to tear apart now and kind of file out the holes, but that is the bridge. Let's get kind of different angles here. So let me know in the comments what you think of this bridge. Let me know what you think of the parts. This is Creative Metal, is a brand. I use it, or I'm starting to use it. I'm just getting a few of them because it is Meccano Erector compatible. So I thought I could get some nice new shiny pieces to use with my old Erector set. But it gotta file out the painted pieces. So there we are, and that is my bridge.
First, I start building the main towers here. The tower starts to take shape. Next, I build the smaller tower. Now I build the bridge portion to connect the smaller tower to the main tower. Thank you from Chuck's Meadow Models. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe. Until we build again.